wanna know how to check if a number is a constant number in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. A constant number is made of the same repeating digit, like 5555. In the code, we first extract the last digits using modulus check. So now here we have integer norm, that is 5555, and now we divide it by using modulus 10. So once that is done, we loop through each digit using a while loop and check if every digit matches with the last one. If any digit is different, we set a boolean flag to false. At the end, we print whether the number is constant or not. This teaches digit extraction and loops, a really handy beginner concept. So I'm just going to run this code to show you. And there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.